Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, self feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some smart, trendy, beautiful collections only for you. So let me display. The saree code is 25A1 2700 is saree price. Very beautiful one. Pure handloom, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk with beautiful jamdani work. Very smart, elegant one. This one is full part mustard yellow shade, and this one is border contrast color with beautiful weaving jamdani design border. Very smart, elegant one. And this one is split section, patli pallu. Split section is beautiful stripes pattern, fully jamdani weaving splits. Very nice one, smart, trendy, elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. This portion is split section and this portion is running blouse piece, stripes, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also same beautiful jamdani pleats like jamdani weaving pallu. Very smart one, patli pallu, premium quality, pure handloom, khadi cotton silk with beautiful jamdani work, contrast color border. Very smart, elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric batik printed contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3,000 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very smart one. 25A2 is saree code, 2700 is saree price. Premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with contrast black checks, full B checks and beautiful border design, golden zari stripes border. Very smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, pure handloom, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. This one is border design, golden zari and golden zari stripes pattern border, and full body beautiful checks design. Very elegant looks. And this one is pallu part. Pallu also silver zari patch with stripes pallu. Very smart, beautiful, elegant looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full part, fully smart checks, stripes, golden zari stripes border, and this one is full part. This one is running blouse piece. Very smart looks. And I will suggest the silk material, golden shade, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your smart looks. This one also best for your party wear. 25A3 is saree code, 3200 is saree price. Matka muslin jamdani buta polka work. Very nice one. Half portion is matka, half portion is muslin, and muslin is beautiful polka, golden zari polka weaving work. This one is muslin part, half part, beautiful one, royal blue shade with beautiful golden zari weaving polka work, and half portion is green shade matka, pure handloom matka base. Half portion is muslin with weaving polka design and half portion is matka green. And this one is pallu end, golden zari matka with golden zari weaving stripes pallu. Very smart, elegant looks, bright, beautiful one. Half portion is green shade matka and half portion is royal blue shade muslin with beautiful golden zari weaving polka design, and pallu end is matka with golden zari weaving stripes. Very smart, elegant looks, soft, lightweight. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your beautiful bright party looks. This one also very smart one, bright also, gorgeous looks. 25A4 3600 is saree price. Premium quality, pure handloom, silk lane with beautiful Banarasi weaving work, golden and silver zari weaving. Very smart, elegant looks, bright also. This one is full part, silver zari weaving buta work, and this one is border silver with golden zari weaving border design. Very smart looks. This one is pallu part. Pallu also fully silver zari weaving design. Very smart one. And this one is border portions silver and golden contrast weaving border, very elegant, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear. This one is full part, full body heavy weaving butta work. This one is border design, and this one is full the same weaving butta, and this one is border design, heavy weaving with golden zari stripes pattern with this elegant looks. And this one is running blouse piece plain, and I will suggest this silk material with self weaving work, butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4,000 for your beautiful, bright, gorgeous looks. This one also very nice one. 25A5 is saree code, 2800 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane with golden and silver zari weaving butta work. This one is full deep part, and this one is border, golden zari border, pink piping, and full golden and silver zari weaving butta work. Very elegant, beautiful, bright looks, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very smart, beautiful one, silver zari highlighted stripes with beautiful golden and silver zari combined jamdani work. Very elegant one, bright orange shade, premium quality, pure handloom, natural fabric, lane by lane, beautiful weaving butta work, golden zari border. Very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material with checks contrast blouse piece. With this saree, with this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100 for your bright, beautiful looks. This one also very nice one, very bright one. 25A6 is saree code, 2900 is saree price, based for your party wear, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen with beautiful contrast color weaving design, smart border. And this one is full part, and this one is border design. Very elegant one, and full border portions, beautiful weaving, fine weaving butta work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, red with golden zari, fine weaving stripes pallu, very elegant one. And this one is border design, bottom part, beautiful one, golden zari with red piping, and full border part, beautiful weaving design. Very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen, have golden sign. Very beautiful one, best for your party wear. This one is fully part, full have golden sign, and this one is border design, beautiful weaving border. Very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3400 for your bright, beautiful party looks. For quick order, just take a screenshot and WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp number is 9933421233. Keep browsing our website. There have many beautiful collections. You can make online order through our website also. All over India, you have free shipping, cash on delivery. Very beautiful one, very elegant, bright looks. 25A7 is saree code, 3200 is saree price, pure handloom, silk linen Banarasi, very beautiful, elegant color. This one is free part, and this one is border design, very beautiful one. This one is one portions border, fine weaving border design, Banarasi weaving border. And this one is bottom part, beautiful, fine weaving, heavy work, border design, very elegant one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also fine weaving Banarasi weaving design, premium quality, pure handloom, silk linen with beautiful Banarasi work. Very nice one. And this one is full part, fully plain with heavy weaving border, very beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is border design, heavy Banarasi weaving work, smart, elegant one. This one is fully part, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3600 for your elegant, bright, beautiful looks. This one also very smart one. 25A8 is saree code, 2800 is saree price, premium quality, pure handloom, silk cotton with full sequin work. This one is full part, fine silk cotton. This one is full part, navy blue shade, golden zari border and fully beautiful sequin design. This one is fully part, fully sequin design, and this one is a contrast color pallu with beautiful golden and silver zari weaving jamdani design. Very smart, elegant, beautiful looks. Navy blue base, golden zari border and full sequin work, contrast pallu with beautiful jamdani design. Very elegant one. This one is full part, full sequin design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is contrast color pallu jamdani. Very smart, elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton. And I will suggest the silk material with weaving, self weaving, heavy work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3200. 3200 for your smart, bright, beautiful looks. This one also very beautiful one. 25A9 is saree code, 2700 is saree price. Premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen with linen combined work. Very nice one. This one is full part, upper portion is tissue linen, golden zari border, and this one is border portions, bottom border golden zari with beautiful golden zari weaving polka design. Base is linen by linen weaving, and this one is pallu part, pallu also stripes pattern, beautiful smart pallu. Very nice one. This one is full part, upper portion is tissue linen have sign, and this one is border portions linen by linen, golden zari weaving polka design, golden zari border. Very elegant one. This one is upper portion tissue linen have silver sign, and this portion is linen by linen weaving with golden zari polka work. Very elegant, beautiful, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full body part. Very smart one. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving, heavy work, golden set contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3100. 3100 for your smart, trendy, beautiful looks. This one also very nice one, Resham Jamdani. 25A10 is saree code, 3600 is saree price. Very smart one, very elegant looks also. Silver zari border, white base with red with black contrast threaded weaving jamdani work. This one is full part, beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani design, white base, silver zari border, and this one is full resham with beautiful jamdani design. Very nice one. And half portion is fully jamdani work, and half portion is a stripes pattern, silver zari stripes pattern, and this one is running blouse piece, contrast black shaded. Half portion is stripes, silver zari stripes, silver zari border, and half portion is fully hand weaving jamdani design. Very smart, beautiful, exclusive, elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 4100. 4100 for your smart, bright, beautiful, elegant looks. This one also very trendy one, very smart looks. 25A11 2500 is saree price. Premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen, yellow shade ikat pattern. Very nice one, fully ikat and contrast pallu also. And this one is fully part, silver yellow base ikat design, silver zari border, contrast pink piping, and this one is pallu part, contrast color ikat pallu. Very nice one, beautiful, elegant looks. And this one is full, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also, best for your office wear. Very smart one. Premium quality, pure handloom, fine linen by linen. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving boot polka work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2900. 2900 for your smart looks. This one also very nice one, bright also. 25A12 is saree code, 1900 is saree price. Premium quality, soft silk with silk weaving work. Very nice one, contrast border and pallu, and full body self weaving work, buta work. Very beautiful looks, very soft, comfortable one. This one is full part, and this one is border design, contrast color with beautiful fine weaving border and full self weaving buta work, very elegant one. This one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color with self weaving design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full part, beautiful weaving buta work, very elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material with checks with polka work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 2800 for your smart, beautiful looks, bright also. Very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen, 25A13 is saree code, 3200 is saree price, very nice one, beautiful weaving border design and full golden zari weaving check, golden zari checks design. This one is full orange base and this one is border, fully fine golden zari weaving border and full beautiful checks design, very elegant one. And this one is pallu part, pallu also fine checks design pallu, very elegant one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom silk linen with checks, beautiful one. This one is full part, fine weaving border design, very elegant looks. And I will suggest the silk material with weaving, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. With this contrast blouse piece, this saree price will be 3700 for your smart, beautiful, elegant looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, fully designer piece, premium quality rayon crepe with beautiful sequin border design, red piping, very elegant one, printed rayon crepe silk. And this one is pallu part, pallu also printed with sequin design, very elegant one. This one is pallu part, fully design work, sequin with beautiful design, very nice one, 3800 is saree price, soft, lightweight, comfortable. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.